could get used to late nights, dancing my ways out. Could get used to
Grabe yung saya here. Naka 400k ako, so that's 1.5 in tax.
No, I love you.
2, 3, go. Dito na kami sa bus. Dito na kami sa hotel. It's already 1 AM in the Philippines.
Yes, what? Okay. May jar. G-Will? Ano yun? Ako na talaga yun. Di balik. Ako din yun. Hindi ikaw na.
Ganda mo naman.
Ano yun? Pagsanggol. Muslim po, sabi sa'yo.
We'll update you guys later kung nasa hotel na kami.
Halata naman sa... Malayo ba tayo sa...
See you later. Hi vlog! So ngayon lang ako nakapag-update kasi hindi ko na kinaya mag-vlog kagabi. Pero nandito na kami sa hotel ni Tandegan. Nandito na tayo sa Jakarta. We're here in South Jakarta. I'm so happy we're at this.
가슴이 터질 때다 너도 날 똑같이 사랑해줄래 네가 돌아볼 때마다 고백 연습하는다 I just wanna make you mine until the end
Sobrang excited na ako to represent not only our school but the Philippines. Sobrang laking opportunity na to for me kasi you get to represent your school and the Philippines in an international level. Grabe, nakakataba ng puso. Never ko in-expect na sasali ako sa ganito. And I'm so thankful sa lahat ng coach, sa aming director, sa aming principal, sa lahat ng nagkikaya, kay Gigi. Thank you po sa lahat. Hindi ako makakarating ng Jakarta kung hindi dahil sa inyo. I'm so excited. I want to make new friends. Gusto ko makakilala mga Indonesian, mga foreigners, basta lahat. I am more than grateful to be here. And share ko yung experience ko sa plane. Nasa plane na, pa-take off na. Grabe, hindi ako makapaniwalang sobrang taas ko. Kasi, hindi talaga ako window seat. Pero, ngayon ko lang nalaman na hindi pala talaga minsan siya napupuno. Eh, wala kami katabi ni Martina. Si Martina yung katabi ko. May isang slot dito, may isang seat na walang may-ari. And window seat yun. So, kinuha na namin. Na-take off, maganda, smooth siya. Pero nung pababa, matigtig. And ilang beses ko naranasan yung turbulence. So yun, update ko na lang kayo kasi after ko mag-ayos, after nito mga 9 siguro, bababa kami para mag-breakfast sa buffet. Update ko na lang ulit kayo. Good morning, y'all!
Good morning!
I woke up like this Sorry I woke up like this.
Guys, we're in a different country! Feeling ko,
Parang nasa Pasay pa rin tayo.
wala pa oh.
Akala nga sa gitna kami.
Be, ang ingay man din.
Nainig ka sobrang.
Grabe, sino yung mga yan?
Akala nga namin kayo nung una. Like, nasa labas kasi ng
May
pintuan namin.
nag-tiktok.
Nag-tiktok pala.
Ang iingay nila eh. Mga Indonesian. Hi guys! Ano ba yan? Weirdo ka. So, nandito kami ngayon sa room ni na Gigi. So, what's our agenda today?
Our agenda today is kumain!
Yes!
Kain, and then after kumain is pupunta na kaming exhibit hall
Yeah.
for our booth installation. So anong feeling ng makasakay sa airplane?
Ang pinakaayaw ko lang doon yung landing.
Bakit? Ang saya kaya ng landing.
Ayoko. Gusto ko yung pataas.
May isang turbulence na sobrang natakot ako.
Ako din. Yung ganun talaga, be. Ang tig-tig niya.
Ang nakakatakot kasi yung pagbukas ng seatbelt. Please put your seatbelt on.
Oo, yun yung indication na ano eh.
Oo na.
May mangyayari.
sobra na. Uy, baba na kayo at everyone at kakain na. Bilisan ng pila.
Okay. Wait lang! Uy! Bababa na tayo, guys. To eat. Sa buffet. Yes! Slaps, slaps, slaps.
Tara na!
Bababa na ba tayo?
Lalabo na.
Laps, laps, laps.
We're gonna eat. We're gonna
Yes.
eat. We're gonna eat. Medyo naingay ko pala ang Let's go. The rice. Pray.
Hi guys. Malapit sa kami kumain.
We're done eating.
The government is saying money factory, money fabric produce. I said building or inside. You find your second figure. So here, on the top,
On the way na po kami para mag-exchange muna ng money. Then, diretso na kami sa exhibit hall.
say block F area. So probably during office hours.
Kaso wala yung nag-reply. Parang natakot na siguro. Na-Uber, nag-request ako.
We're here! Oh my god. So pretty. We're here na with our luggage and everything. Katabi daw natin Malaysia. Wow. I'm setting up our booth. Doon oh. Ayun yung booth namin oh. Nasa gitna oh. D-Day! D-Day!
Day 1. Pagpapahirap sa amin. Kahapon
The Lord has made.
talaga pero kami
Today is the day. Today is the day.
This is right.
We're done! We're done! Hi, tita. Say hi.
Hello, we're done. We're done.
Grabe.
Ano nga, Ajay?
Ajay!
Kasi di mo na-call yun.
Anjay!
Anjay.
Anjay!
Baka hindi cool yun. Baka ina-order. Kaya, Anjay is Filipino.
So, this is our booth. Di na ako nakapag-vlog kasi we're entertaining.
We're entertaining them.
Team leaders, Inda. We're the one left here. We're the ones left.
All roaming around.
An experience. We're about to wrap up our booth in an hour. We're done. Thank you, Lord. Hi! Philippines! We're wrapping up today's invention.
Day 1 done. Dami namin souvenirs. True.
Oh, yan. Yung haul natin to mamaya.
Tayo mamaya.
We're done! We're going back to the hotel. Going back to the hotel. We're at the convenience store. Buying some goods. Buying some stuff. I feel like more than 20k or 20,000 to.
More than 50 ah.
Are you yun? More than 50,000. Mabuhay! Magandang araw!
Ganyan pa lang energy ng mga nakita ng gwapo.
Totoo!
Oh, yan.
Totoo naman yan. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, Johan! We are here in Indonesia.
Yes! Tapos na! May bukas pa. Last day.
Basic na yun.
Oo, basic na yun. So, pupunta tayo kay Martina. And, ikukwento ko sa inyo kung anong nangyari. Ay, ba't ang dilim? Ikukwento ko sa inyo kung anong nangyari kanina. Sobrang saya as in. Like, mabuhay! Magandang araw! Magandang gabi pala. Ano masasabi niyo, guys?
Napakalaking tulong niya. So fun.
Natapos na.
Overall, so fun talaga. Muna di pa ako makapagsalita eh. It's not, pressuring. Yeah.
Grabe, ang ganda ng experience.
Super saya no kahit
Diba? Ang saya. Sobrang.
Kahit ano.
Sino?
Ako. 300 din ako, be. Kahit ano, super gutom ka na, gusto mo nang umupo.
Diba?
Ang saya pa din talaga.
Be, sulit kasi siya. Sulit talaga siya. Sa loob ng 42k or 60k natin.
Sulit.
Ang dami nating na-meet sa isang araw.
Isang araw.
Na hindi mo magagawa yun na ano.
Feel ko nga, ibot natin yung pinakamadami nagpunta talaga eh.
Oo, be.
Diba? Ang dami nagkasunod-sunod sila.
May nagsabi nga dun nung mate na ano kayo na Johan. Sabi, your booth is the most interactive one.
Yeah.
Oo,
Like,
yung
ano
dalawa.
siya?
Supervisor sila.
Supervisor.
Ate, meron pogi. Eh, wala kayo. Ako lang nag-present doon.
Ayo. Yung sinabi, ay, ang pogi naman, ang pogi mo naman, be.
Directly, sabi niya, pogi mo naman.
Kasi hindi naman niya maiintindihan yun. Doon mo lang masasabi sa isang pogi na pogi siya na hindi niya naiintindihan. Diba? And we're the only representatives from
The
Philippines! Grabe.
Marvel.
Ang
Ang ganda
powerful.
kasi, alam mo yung batch natin, sobrang extrovert natin. Totoo, like, feel ko tayo.
Like, sa ang sulok talaga, ano, Philippines! 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 Diba? Pakinig tayo.
Tiwala talaga. Tayo talaga yung pinakamaingay doon na booth.
Yeah.
Kasi din yung ano lang, yung pinakanta si JJ, be.
Oh,
Be, iyak-iyak!
Weirdo ka! Inabidyohan pa kayo nun, be.
Dancing our place. I could get used to this. I thought it would scare me. I thought it would scare me to let you in, but I was paper thin.
Hi guys, so nandito kami sa hotel lobby. Kasama ko si Gigi. May ginawa kami, pero hindi na naman sasabihin. And ayun.
Parang illegal kasi yung
No.
ginawa namin.
Hinihintay na lang namin si Gab and si Martina.
Bumaba.
Then, yeah.
Yeah.
Wala, ang saya lang ng araw na to. I'm so blessed by Lord, by God, and everything, darling.
Alam ko kung saan natin.
Sapa.
Bumaba kami sa stairs, pero hindi ka na kami bumaba sa basement.
Totoo. Ginamit namin yung stairs kasi sobrang nakakahilo na sa elevator.
Elevator.
As in, always kami nag-elevator, baba, taas, baba, taas.
Siguro sa pagtaas na lang ulit kami mag-elevator.
Yeah.
Pagbaba,
Tama
na
yun.
na lang kami.
Super saya. Ang ganda ng experience namin. As
Sobrang babait ng Indonesia.
Yes.
Perfect silang mga tao.
Grabe. If we can compare us to them, there's no difference at all.
Grabe.
They're very
Energy
hospitable.
na ginigive
Yes.
nila. Perfect.
We're the same. We're literally the same.
Filipinos and Indonesians.
Yes.
Like sisters.
Sister countries. So yun, update na lang namin kayo kapag bumaba na yung mga weirdo. Hi guys!
I could get used to late nights dancing my face. I could get used to long drives, cab rides, your place. I could get used to me fighting just for the hell of it, and you putting up with it 'cause you leave me to bits. Late nights dancing our place. I could get used to this.
Hi guys! So nandito ako sa room ni na Gigi. Update! Paalis na ulit kami.
Yes, another
Another day, another Pogi! Imnida!
tutorial.
So excited and this is my fit. Lahat kami naka-sabli and naka-jacket. Our Philippine jacket. Ang daming kalokohan ginawa ni Bernice. Di ko na na-videohan.
Hindi talaga. Wala po akong ginagawa. Masama. Madami na po.
Sobrang weirdo niya. Philippines! Ay, sorry. Ayan. Alis na po kami. Punta na ulit kami sa exhibition hall. Para? Para maghanap ulit ng pogi. Kasi,
Uy, sabi ko na wala ng energy. Mamaya ewan ko na lang.
hindi para siyang weirdo talaga.
Be weirdo ka.
Yan, ito ang aming fit. Hi.
Kasi ikaw, saan mo matingin?
Dito.
Dito? Hi. Hi, Johan. Pinaka-handsome.
Hi, Kamis.
Hi, Johan! Ang pinakang pogi.
Miss, alam mo ba, wala na ako naisip na sabihin kundi, oh, you're pretty also. Grabe. Ay, nasabi ng pogi eh. Another day, another hanap ng pogi. Kinuha ko ang aking fudang. Ayan. Tingnan nyo. May papakita ko sa iyo. Ito yung window sa may hallway. Grabe, parang Manila lang talaga siya. Parang nasa Pasay pa din kami. Paalis na kami.
Ganito or yung
See you sa mga pogi dyan. Ha? Mga pogi dyan. See you. Sorry, Kat.
Masaya siya.
So, iikot po kami. Our last chance na mag-ikot.
Yes!
Yes! Mystic Boom. Kalat nyo naman, guys.
Sila malina eh.
Say hi. Hi.
They're all cleaning up na.
Maglilinis na silang lahat, guys. Tingnan nyo naman. Oh, say hi to my vlog.
Hi!
I'm gonna,
Where are you gonna put this?
YouTube.
Oh, you took.
I'll send you later.
Okay, okay. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye. Mabuhay! Mga
vlog?
Hi!
Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Good luck. Hi! Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Pumunta kami sa baba. Tara na ito. Favorite rocket ship. Do we do the stuff? Little Einstein.
Every drop I dream of.
You're my soda pop. Ito yung boot sa baba. Oh. Mga robotics. Oh, may tulog at nakanganga.
Ay, nakanganga.
Buhay! Hello!
Can we hear about your product?
Yes.
Our product is oral cleansing foam for bedridden patients. Yeah, and since many of these patients, they cannot take care of their own mouth, like cannot rinse or even swallow water properly. So we help caregivers who take care of bedridden patients to help them to take care of this. But we don't have it because it has an accident on our flight. We can never
Oh, okay.
for 1 minute, yeah, and then use tissues or cottons, yeah, wipe it, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, for
okay.
Is there any product like this in the market already?
No,
Oh,
you're the
we're the first one.
In Thailand, nobody make it.
Wow.
Wow, so cool.
We got some from Indonesia.
From
Philippines.
Philippines, wow.
We're at the second floor. Salamat.
Yes.
Yes.
Kapun ka.
Kapon ka.
Sawadee ka.
Sawadee ka.
Your accent look like a Thai people. Sing.
Hi.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you. May nagpa-vlog din. Ayun siya. Yeah, nagpa-vlog siya. Pabalik na ulit kami sa taas. Kasi umalis na lahat. I'm gonna miss this. Are you gonna miss this?
Of course.
Hi, Jessica. Can you say hi to my vlog? Hi. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Good luck. Can you say hi to my vlog?
Welcome to our booth.
Yes.
We are making this bracelet.
Yes.
We're making bracelets from this. From chicken legs. Wait, wanna say this?
Pilipinas ang malakas! Happy birthday! Yeah, we're collecting Pogi. It's not Pogo. It's
You guys are kind of afraid from you.
Yeah, we're very extrovert. Grabe, sobrang saya namin dito.
For real.
Hi! Hi guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Good luck. Say hi to my vlog. Oh, okay. Come, come.
You joined too.
Okay. Salag mo na eh.
Like po ba kami dito?
Bye, Semesco Exhibition Hall.
Bye, Semesco. Ay, bye, Semesco. Uy, babalik pa tayo dito. At tomorrow ka sa asan dito. Napaside IC. See you soon. Napaside IC.
Hi, just got home. Just got home. We're back at the hotel. And tapos na lahat. Bukas, tour na lang. And sa Sunday, awarding na. So, I'm so excited. Sana mag-pay off lahat ng pinaghirapan namin. And I can't wait. Sobrang satisfied ako sa lahat ng nangyari. And all I want is better results na alam kong deserve namin. So, yeah. I'm here. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako. Pupunta tayo sa baba. Sunduin natin si Bernice. Kung nasa baba siya. Nasa baba nga ba siya? Totoo naman yan. Go! So ayun, bumaba pa ako. Nandun na pala, nasa taas pala si Bernice. Weirdo. So ayun. Tatagal ng Gigi. Saan mo ba? Saan mo ba ako dito? Yun naman.
Bibilang ako.
Yung. Malulubat na siya, Day. Bye-bye. Hindi ko na pala mabablog to, weirdo. Nilobat ni
Tako eh. Sabi mo, mag-vlog ka habang
Ay,
nag-airdrop
sorry.
ako.
Nag-airdrop ka? Ako nga yung nag-airdrop? Weirdo ka. Sinungaling ka din eh, no?
6 a.m. sa Philippines.
Just a
Okay,
minute
bye.
of your time.
We're here, we're eating.
I could get used to late nights dancing my place. I could get used to long drives, cab rides, your place. I could get used to me fighting just for the hell of it, and you putting up with it 'cause you love me to bits. Late nights dancing our place. I could get used to this. I thought it would scare me. I thought it would scare me to let you in, but I was paper thin. You saw right through me and I gave in. My mind was occupied, man, I was on high. I could run forever to get a minute, just a minute of your time. If this is what it's like.
Buti na lang lahat tayo may mauuwing medal. Yun na lang talaga yung
So proud of us. My BFF. Kayo pa.
kayo talaga.
Good morning.
Morning.
I guess my face. Yeah.
Kukwentuhan natin na nirepresent natin yung kabataan natin. Philippines. Kabataan. Let's enjoy our last 3 days. Our last 3 days.
Tatlong araw na lang. Ang bilis, diba?
We're here! It's awarding day. Philippines!
Ay, hindi ako yung
Locker! Philippines! Kinakabahan na kami. Whatever happens, I'm proud of you.
proud of you.
Are you proud of me?
Yeah, of course. We'll always be proud of you.
Even if I'm oily?
I am trying.
Hi!
What? Are you nervous? Not really.
Hi.
Really? Hello. Hi. Let's hear our... Is it rolling? Is it rolling? Yeah. Oh, okay. Hi. So, we are waiting for the announcement of the competition on who will win, and I hope for the best of all of us.
Yes! Good luck to us!
Let's just ignore the news. I know you know that California sure would be nice.
We're gold! Gold medalist! Kita, naka-gold tayo! I miss you so much. Always proud of you. Love you. Bye, Semesco! We deserve to swim.
Johan!
This is my favorite.
Perfect siya. Perfect person. Perfect person. This is mine.
So many efforts.
so we got our goods. Bumili kami souvenirs.
Pakita ko nila. 200,000.
Naka 275,000 ako. Ikaw?
325.
Ikaw?
400K.
Yes, well, that's to the max.
Para sa kanila naman yan.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is for you guys. So, we're gonna buy a jacket. Couple kami. We're done shopping for today. Naglagas ng 1 million rupiah. So guys, so proud of this girl. I'm so happy for her. And I hope she finds happiness in what she's doing. As you can see, she's very, very happy. And I'm happy for her.
No, love you. Pag out,